Today we have the 2021 Ford Fiesta ST line. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access Ford Pass Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, voice control and valet mode, navigation, mobile apps, Bluetooth and emergency assistance. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: normal, eco and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.